Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Everybody took the drive south today down to Lagodi, where I was down there speaking with the kindergarten students. Here's one class at 3 all together today, and we talked about weather instruments, but we also spent a fair amount of time on storms and storm safety. So there's the first class. Here comes the next one here. They had a lot of great questions for me. They know where to go if there's bad weather, things like that. And then here comes your last group right here. So I wanted to say hi to all of my new friends down there at Lagodi Elementary School. I had a great time today talking with the kindergarten students there. And again, a lot of our time was spent about storms, not just tornadoes, but lightning, flooding, things like that. So had a great time down there in Lagodi, Indiana. I wanted to show you this because when we show these risk factors, you see the legend up here. High, you see very, very rarely. There's a high risk out tonight from about Wichita to Oklahoma City. The last time there was a high risk issued anywhere in the entire country was May 31st of last year. We know what happened. So this is going to be a big outbreak tonight across that area. Probably lots of tornadoes. That's across the southern plains, not here. But that same storm system is going to be headed here. We're going to talk about that in a second. 79 and 60, that's the high and low for the day. We didn't get any rain here at the TV station today. There have been some very spotty showers around, but for the most part, nothing significant as far as any big rain across the area today. Here's what it looks like now with the Wabash River Terre Haute. It's 11.3 feet, and it is on the way down. So here's what we're tracking for you then as we head through the next few days. Few storms tonight. When I say tonight, I'm talking about wee hours of the overnight till tomorrow morning. So then early in the morning some, a break. Then we got to watch later in the day tomorrow and especially on Wednesday. And then behind this whole storm system, it is going to calm down but cool off late this week. Here we got to the Cyclocast forecast for 7 o'clock this evening. We're 75 degrees, not much wind out there, so it's going to be a pretty nice evening if you're going to be out and about. I think, again, any rain will come late overnight. 75 right now at the airport in Terre Haute. Relative humidity high, though, at 66%, so we have a lot of moisture in the air. Temperatures pretty much mid-70s across the area. Here's the Joint Water Tower forecast. We take you up to Edgar County, Chrisman, Illinois. 62. Again, you see that lightning bolt, maybe a thunderstorm late overnight. Right there. That's the area we're looking at. See the development, Kansas and Oklahoma. That's where we're going to see the big outbreak of severe weather tonight. And what's left of that will actually come through this area tomorrow morning, but again, much weaker. But those storms developing there are going to race off to the northeast, and we'll see some of the leftover of that coming in here tomorrow morning, but we're not worried about that. In the meantime, a little low pressure spinning around south of the area today, bringing a few isolated showers, mostly just southeast of here, so not much showing up on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. Overnight, then, I think we're in pretty good shape. Now, what's left over of all that action out to the west gets in here tomorrow. See this around 6, 7, 8 o'clock. Can't rule out a stronger storm in the morning, but I think it's mostly just dying off. Then that kind of works the atmosphere over for a while. We'll see some things rejuvenate, most likely right over us, and then move off to the northeast of this area. And then tomorrow night looks okay, but as we get into the day Wednesday, this is the day we'll have to be probably a little bit more weather aware. Thunderstorms developing and moving in by the mid to late afternoon hours. Those will carry us into the nighttime hours as well. So we got a couple rounds coming in. We're definitely going to be watching that, but it looks like Wednesday right now will be the higher risk for us to find some stronger storms moving through this area. Forecast tonight then, 62, some thunderstorms and showers late as you saw near daybreak tomorrow. During the day tomorrow, some early showers and storms, a break, and then more redevelop in the afternoon with a high of 81. And then after that, we got to keep an eye to the sky on Wednesday, mid to late afternoon on. Could be some bigger storms with that. Behind it, cooler, 67, 68 for Friday and Saturday, back to 71 on Sunday.